ORS Oral Rehydration Solution. What is ORS? Oral Rehydration Solution, ORS, is a precise mixture of electrolytes, salts, and sugar dissolved in clean water. It is primarily used to prevent and treat dehydration caused by conditions like acute diarrhea, vomiting, and heat exhaustion. ORS is widely recognized as one of the most significant medical advancements of the 20th century. The Lancet medical journal famously hailed it as potentially the most important medical advance of its time because it provides a cheap, simple, and highly effective way to save lives from severe dehydration. Well, why is it called ORS? It is called ORS because the name serves as a literal description of exactly what the medical treatment is and how it works. The acronym ORS stands for O for oral. It is administered entirely by mouth, requiring no needles, intravenous lines, or medical training to give to a patient. R for rehydration. Its primary clinical function is to restore lost fluids and hydrate the body's cells and bloodstream rapidly. S for solution. It is a chemical mixture where solid solutes, electrolytes and glucose are completely dissolved in a liquid solvent, which is clean water. The name was officially standardized by global health organizations like the World Health Organization, WHO, and UNICEF in the late 1960s and 1970s. What is the composition of ORS? By orders of the modern World Health Organization, WHO, and UNICEF, standard oral rehydration solution is a reduced osmolarity formula. The original WHO formula used before 2002 had a higher total osmolarity of 311 milliosmoles per liter. Clinical data proved that the lower osmolarity of 245 milliosmoles per liter formulation reduces decrease in stool output volume by roughly 25%, decrease in the occurrence of vomiting, decrease in the need for unscheduled intravenous fluids by 30%. Let's see its ingredients by weight, in grams per liter. The exact chemical composition of a standard 20.5 gram sachet dissolved in 1 liter of water breaks down into mass and molecular concentration. A single packet contains for main active ingredients: anhydrous glucose, 13.5 gram. It provides the energy needed to drive the sodium-glucose cotransport mechanism. Sodium chloride, 2.6 gram. It replaces lost sodium and chloride ions to maintain cellular fluid balance. Trisodium citrate dehydrate, 2.9 gram. It corrects metabolic acidosis, acid buildup in the blood, caused by diarrhea or dehydration. Potassium chloride, 1.5 gram. It replaces lost potassium to maintain healthy nerve and muscle function. How to make a homemade oral rehydration solution. To make a safe and effective homemade oral rehydration solution, you must follow the strict ratio established by the World Health Organization. An incorrect balance of salt or sugar can make dehydration worse. The 6:1:1 recipe. You need exactly 3 household ingredients. Clean water, 1 liter, which can be boiled and cooled, or bottled. Granulated sugar. Consists of 6 level teaspoons. Table salt, a ½ level teaspoon.